Hey there, history buffs! Welcome back to our Today in History series, where we delve into the fascinating events that shaped our world. Today we're going to explore July 5th in history. Did you know that on this day in 1932, the famous aviator Amelia Earhart became the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean? Her historic journey began in Newfoundland, Canada, and ended in Ireland. In 1947, the United Nations was established, marking a significant milestone in international cooperation and diplomacy. And in 1976, the first satellite to be launched into space, Sputnik 1, was successfully launched by the Soviet Union. Thanks for joining us on this journey through history. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating historical tidbits. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.